it's me with part deux of this image transfer. So, as you can see, I've already started it. This is probably a couple of hours since I stuck this image to the seat, and as you can see, it's coming together perfectly. I've already done this part, so what you do is you wet the back of the paper. I've done most of it because I didn't think you'd want to sit and watch me remove pulp from an image. So you wet it, and then you very, very carefully remove the pulp. And this product that I've used, this primer, really does grip the ink. I find it's much more forgiving than other products that I've used. I mainly use a gel medium that I have that's an art product, which is good. I like it, and I know a lot of people use Mod Podge, good old Mod Podge. But this, I think, is amazing. Can you see the depth of colour there that I've got, and how easily that has come away? Now this part is dry here. It's probably got just a very, very fine layer. You can feel it. If you wet it, you can still feel a little bit of the paper on the backing, and you just rub that away nicely. So that's how easy it is. You just do that. Take away that first layer of paper, comes away very easily, and then you just work it until you know that it's all gone. And then you leave it to dry when you think it's done, and then you come back and you'll see sometimes there's a very, very light film of white over it. So that means that you've got to wet it again, and you don't want to wet it too much. You just want to wet the paper enough that it will come away from the ink. But that's how fantastic this product is. So don't forget, if you want to buy any Maison Blanche products, when you check out, use the code Julie's Special, and you will get a 4-ounce sample of this beautiful paint colour, which you probably can't see very well on your screens. In real life, it's absolutely scrumptious. It's a shade, as I said, of lavender, periwinkle, grey. It's beautiful. And also, I am selling, because people had asked me if I would sell them a digital download of my artwork. So I am. I'm in the process of uploading them to my Etsy store. This one is available, and 2 others right now, and they will all become available. And you can use them, you can download them. They'll be probably 11 by 17. If you want other sizes, you can PM me, and if I can do it for you, I will. And you can use them on whatever you want to sell your furniture or whatever you're doing. You just can't. I would ask that you don't resell the digital image to anybody else, and don't share. So I'll put the link to my store underneath. And I think that's it. So I will come back. I probably won't do another video, but I'll come back with a picture of the 2 finished chairs to show you, and you can see how beautiful they are. But I'm very, very pleased. There is a little edge on this. I can feel it, even where I've, I don't know if you can see that enough. You can just about see where the paper meets the paint. And that does leave a little raised edge. So when that's dry, I will go over it with my sanding sponge very, very lightly. Then I'll paint this over again, because a little bit of the glue that the primer has gone on the outside, and there's a great big splodge of it there. So I'll do another little coat around it, and then I'll top coat it, and then I will paint the chair, because I've only painted one, with my Julie's Dreamy Blue, and then I'll do a picture for you. So that's it. Any questions? Just ask away.